Hello friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming, and I just wanted to do a quick update on my craft room. I had showed you the room last week before it was painted and with furniture in the middle of the room. And so I got busy this weekend. We finally got our electricity back. I've painted the room country white, and I'll just show you all the walls without making you dizzy. And then I'll go around the room and tell you what I've got as far as furniture. I got this sewing table at a yard sale down the street last summer. Got a couple of totes of stuff I'm just storing, trying to figure out what to do with because I decluttered my house, and that's the things I didn't want to get rid of. So they are in those totes right now. This dresser was passed down from my brother to my two boys. Both of them used them at one time or another, use it. And it was from, my parents bought it from my brother in approximately 1987 at Waterbed City in Florida where we lived. And as you can see, it still looks really good. It has lots of drawers. Since my son didn't take it, I thought what would be great in here for storage. So those drawers are not filled up yet, so I will be putting things and organizing in those drawers. And I thought this would be a great project space on the top. I could spread things out as I'm making my journals and just have everything organized in a line as to pages and things. That's much needed space that I've been lacking. There's a closet there. I'm still cleaning that out and organizing that, or reorganizing that. This, I got shears for the window here. The blinds were already there. The curtain rod was already there. And like I said, I am big on repurposing. So, I mean, I think the shears are the only thing new I bought. The only thing new I bought for the room. Besides the paint. And they are kind of light green sheer curtains that go to the floor. And this little desk is my former workspace. This is all I had in the other room, and so as you can see, I was quite cramped. And so let's see, I've got this little stool that I move around the room, my trash can handy right there, this light to shine on when my workspace. I do have an overhead light in here with a fan. This cabinet my youngest son used in his room before he moved out, and he did not take it with him. I will show you the inside real quick, but I'm not going to show you on the inside of everything yet because I'm still organizing, but this is where I'm going to keep my books. So just a quick look at what I've got in there so far. I still have more books to put in there. So hopefully I can get them all in there. This bedroom had this TV on the wall already, so I am very, very fortunate to have that in here. So I do like to have the TV on when I'm crafting, or I can watch YouTube or whatever. And this is a piece my husband and son bought, a storage locker. This piece was in there. We've had it in the garage for, I don't know, 3 to 5 years now, I would say. No one used it, and he was about to throw it out, and he asked if I could use it, and I said yes. I looked at it and said yes because it has these 3 shelves, and over here on the side it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. I have nothing in that yet in the drawers, so lots of space to organize. And this is really what I'm looking forward to, is just having everything at my, in a place where I can just grab it and do my crafting. Before I had this all these little jars I had in a closet, my tickets I had in a closet. All this stuff was in a closet. This was in a closet, my paper and my washing and stuff down there. Anyway, it was all tucked in a closet, so when I went to craft something, I had to just go all over the house and find my stuff. So I'm really looking forward to crafting in here. Anyway, I'm almost done. Just I want to show you the middle of the room. I don't want to waste this space. So I'm going to, we have a little dining table. It's round and it's one of those high dining tables I'm going to put in the middle here and see, I'm going to see how it looks because I don't think I'm going to like it high. So I asked my husband if he could cut the legs down to make it regular height. I don't think I'm going to like it high. He said he thought I might like it high because then I can stand if I want and move around the room, you know, sit here and there or stand there. Or I can use that stool and put it next to the table that's, you know, the little dining table that's higher. So we'll see. I'm going to try it high, and if I don't like it, we'll cut the legs down and you know, handle it that way. But anyway, I wanted to give a quick update since I worked so hard last week, or this week, and I did my video last week of the before. This is the after, but I will do once I get it, which it might be another week or two before I get everything in here and organized. But I made more progress than this weekend than I thought I would. Worked on it Saturday and Sunday, so put in a lot of hours, and I just love how it's turning out. So it looks so much better, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.